Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking all about the power of eyebrow shape and how it can completely transform your look. So, let's get started. First up, let's discuss the basics of eyebrow shape. Your eyebrows should be proportionate to the rest of your face and complement your features. The arch should be in the right place, and the thickness should be just right. There are 4 basic eyebrow shapes: round, angled, curved, and flat. Round eyebrows are soft and have no arch, while angled eyebrows have a sharp arch, curved eyebrows have a gentle curve, and flat eyebrows have no arch at all. Now, how do you choose the right eyebrow shape for your face? It depends on your face shape and features. Here are some guidelines. Round faces, you'll want to create a high arch to elongate your face. Angled eyebrows are the best choice for this face shape. Square faces, soften your features with curved eyebrows. The arch should be soft and natural. Heart-shaped faces, you'll want to balance your forehead with your chin. Curved eyebrows work well for this face shape. Oval faces, if you have an oval face, you're lucky. You can pretty much rock any eyebrow shape you like. Just make sure the arch is in the right place for your features. The power of eyebrow shape should not be overlooked. By choosing the right shape for your face and features, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel confident and beautiful. So, go forth and shape those brows. If you're looking for the best brow lamination kit, check out Raw Brow. We offer eyebrow lamination DIY kits for eyebrows that look natural and fluffy. Shop today. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on your favorite eyebrow shapes. See you in the next video.